Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since I've done a case unboxing, but we have a 2025, there we go, B case, and it has actually been a while because a lot of the orders that I actually did have, and kind of like a subscription for cases, actually got, some of them got canceled, like case A, B, and C for my kind of international cases got canceled. So soon the D case will be coming out, and typically the international ones do get a bit early. The US cases are a little behind. The A case did get canceled, but now we got the B case. I think stores already have like the C case out. So we are a little bit behind that curve, but here we are with another case unboxing. Everything should be back on track. I guess Mattel had something with like the shipping in the new year and some kind of inventory shortage, I believe. But here we are, case B, ready to cut this thing open. I really don't know what to expect. I did see some stuff online, some people with some new Hot Wheels. I assume some of those are going to be in this case, but I'm not too sure. This is the first case of 2025 that I did get. Obviously, we did miss out on the A case, but maybe I'll be able to get a hold of one that somebody might have in stock, pick that up, and do an unboxing for that. But let me just go ahead and carefully lay this on its side. There we go. Grab some scissors and cut this thing open. I'm really excited to dig into it, and I did see a couple pictures of a slight package change with the card of the new Hot Wheels. So I'm kind of excited to see that. Also, if you guys do want to pick up these cars and other cars, I do have a merch store that sell a bunch of Hot Wheels on. There's going to be a link in the description down below, or you can go to shopemptyparadise.com. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels on there from mainline. I got premium collectible cars like RLC and some other collectibles. And then I even have some Matchbox. But I do also have some other automotive like themed products like keychains, water bottles, stuff like that. So definitely go check it out, shopemptyparadise.com. And as this video goes live, I hope that I can have all these on there. If you don't see them on there right away, then shortly after, these will be live. But let's go ahead and bust this open. All the ones that are damaged, I don't list on there. So all the ones in great condition that I'm not going to keep and collect for myself will be on there as well. So make sure you guys go check that out. Let's go ahead and get started right up on top. Alright, it's kind of shaped odd. Like starting off, it's kind of weird. Alrighty. Oh, wow. We have a strong start. Okay. And even like the new for 2025 is a different logo. And you see these like little like lines. But we got the Morgan Super 3, which is kind of cool. We got that three-wheeled Morgan there. And then we have the Nolund Hypervan, as well as the Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk. We did previously see that in like a light blue color, and this one's in a really nice purple. And I absolutely love this car. And this is actually in pretty good condition too, so I'm really excited about that. So let's go ahead, set these aside, and continue on. Okay, they were all like sitting in there all wild, but we'll get to those in a second. I really like the color in this. The Subaru BRZ. It's like a track version. You got obviously like a exoskeleton front bumper. Got a huge rear wing, so it's like set up for drifting. We have the Twin Mill Gen E, and then it's actually the Chinese New Year theme. So you have the 2025 right there, and it has some really cool designs on top. And then we also have the Draftnator. All right, and then since these ones kind of fell out of here, let's go ahead and do these ones next. So we have the 87 Audi Quattro, the small block. Actually, we did see that in almost like a wood green before. It still kind of has like that wood grain look to it, but now it is a taxi theme. So that's pretty cool. And then we also have the Proton Saga in white. We did see that last year in red, so it's kind of cool that they brought it back, but different color. Got this one, plus a couple others. Okay, so we got the, I don't remember exactly what the Super Treasure Hunt was. I think it was the Purple Passion, and this is a standard version of it, so it's not the Super. I believe the Purple Passion was the Super for the B case, and like I said, this one does have a creased card, so luckily it's not the Super that's damaged, but there it is right there. You have a 21 Ford Bronco, which looks really cool, and then a Batman and Robin Batmobile. Alright. Oh wow, okay, that's kind of cool. So we have the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, the custom Cadillac Fleetwood, and the Mazda AutoZam in a new color. Actually, I have it in red. I kind of like that. Alright, ooh, I really like this pull. We have the 2022 Ford Maverick Custom, and then we have the Lamborghini Huracan Storado now in white. We did see the launch of this last year in orange, and actually had black and white accents. This is kind of like a reverse of it. And then we have the Super Twin Mill. That's actually kind of interesting. It's like a beefed up version, and it is a new casting. So we had the Twin Mill was like the original car, and then we had the E-Gen, so like the electric version, and then now we have a kind of more supercar version. Oh wow, these look nice. The Fiat 500e with that really nice gold paint. 94 Audi Avant RS2 and a really nice maroon, and a max steel. Ooh, this is also a really nice pull. I really like the colors of the cars in 2025. And wow, we got a really cool car. I actually know somebody who has one of these. We have the Tesla Model S Plaid in a really nice red color. So that is really cool. And then we have a 55 Chevy and a 1988 Jeep Wagoneer. Oh, okay, so we have another Super Twin Mill, another Max Steel, but we have the Fished and Chipped, which is actually the treasure hunt for the case. So right here behind the front wheel, you can see the little treasure hunt logo. And then whenever you kind of shake it in the package, right there behind the car, you can see the treasure hunt logo, as well as the text that says, congratulations, the symbol means you found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle. So that is kind of interesting, and also you can kind of see a little bit right there behind the car on the white part of the package. So that is the regular treasure hunt for the case, and the packaging on this is actually, I would say, like almost perfect. This looks really great, and I love whenever the collectible versions of the cars are in great condition. So I'm going to go ahead and set that aside so nothing happens to it. And then put these up here. Let's go ahead and move on. Oh wow, they brought this back. So we have the Star Wars X-34 Land Speeder. I think it's like the third time it's been back. We have another Tesla Model S Plaid in red, and another Purple Passion. Wow, this was a really nice pull. All three are super awesome JDM cars. We have the Mazda Repo in a really new theme that looks really awesome. The 90 Honda Civic EF in a really beautiful blue. We did see that in red previously. And the Nissan Skyline GTR R32 in, I would say black. At first, it kind of looks like a really dark charcoal color, but I would say it's more of like a light black, maybe? I don't know. But that looks really cool. Also, it is a Fast and the Furious car, so we have a screen time, and then got the Fast and the Furious right there. So this is really awesome. All three of these cars, and the Mazda Repo actually has like some waves and stuff if you didn't really see what that design was. So what a nice pull. Got some really good cars on that. And the last three cars for the first half of the case. Oh, okay. We got a Mario Kart. The standard kart is back again, so that's kind of cool. They brought this one back. Have a custom Cadillac Fleetwood and a 80 El Camino. Looks like a really cool color on that one. But let's go ahead and remove the divider and get started with the second half of the case. The divider's kind of wedged in there weird. Alright. Let's get started right up on top. Okay, that's interesting. We have the Nerve Hammer, which I don't think I've seen that before, but it's not a new casting, so I'm kind of wondering if they just brought that back. I have a Donut Drifter in a new color, and the K-Swap. It's actually new for this year, and the K-Car is a, kind of like those little tiny Japanese cars, like the Honda Beat, stuff like that. They're kind of like the certain, like, limited, I think they're like 100 horsepower or something. So it's kind of interesting. It's like a little K-van, whereas we've seen like little K-trucks in the past as well. New casting for this year. So that's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, we we got the Super. I'm just gonna set that aside carefully, and so for some reason I was thinking it was the Purple Passion, but it's a Hero Honda Merc because it is also purple and it's like an old school looking car. That right there is the Super treasure hunt for the case. Right above the rear wheel, you can see the little TH right there. And then, let me shift it in the package a little bit. There you go. You see the gold treasure hunt logo right behind the car. You got the rubber Real Rider tires on it. You got the fancy chrome rims, the nicer paint. And this is in great condition as well. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, I cannot believe that we just got the Super treasure hunt for the Hot Wheels B Case, the first case of 2025. I really hope that means there's a lot more to come this year, and hopefully that doesn't mean that this is like the one and done. But wow, we got the Super. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm like a little in shock because honestly I didn't even expect it. I just pulled out the 3 cars and saw the TH and I'm like, that's weird. I'm like, oh wait, that's the Super. So there it is, we got the Super. So I'm going to set that one aside as well, just so nothing happens to it while I'm doing the rest of the case unboxing. And wow, I honestly did not expect that. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue on. We have another Morgan Super 3 and another Batman and Robin Batmobile. All right, we have the hauler back, the 66 Buick Rivera. And then the 67 Chevy C10. Oh, that's a nice pull. And oh, a couple really nice cars. Okay. So we have the brand new Ford Mustang GTD. And that looks really cool. Also, like I said, new for this year. And 60th, was it 60 or, yeah, 60th anniversary. And that's the one that has that big giant wing that's coming off the back there. If I do get a damaged one of these, I would love to open it up and put it on my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. I do a bunch of Hot Wheel races on my racetrack. Do YouTube shorts as well, so make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for some of those. And it would be kind of cool to add this with some other Mustangs and also race it against the Dark Horse that we recently got in the end of last year. We also have another DMC DeLorean in a really cool, kind of crazy retro design. And then we also have the kick cart. But man, what an interesting pull, especially the DeLorean is like one of my favorites. It's kind of cool to see that brought back in an interesting way. All right, so we got, wow, that's kind of cool. We got a Tiki Time theme on the Custom 53 Chevy, which is pretty cool. We have another Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R32 and a 21 Ford Bronco. Oh wow, that's really interesting. So we got a regular version of the Hero Honda Merc right here. So that's kind of cool. So let me go ahead and grab the Super so you guys can kind of see the difference. Typically, if you get the Super, the regular version's not in the case because they replace it with the Super. It's kind of interesting, but right there we got both of the cars. So you can see that the paint on the Super above is like a lot shinier and a lot more vibrant. The rims are a bit different. You can see there on the front. Got the fancier rims with the the rubber tires, and then you got the ones down here which are all plastic. And then obviously the little TH there on the rear fender, kind of above the rear wheel. And man, that is crazy that we got both. Got the Super and the standard version of the Hero Honda Merc. That is absolutely insane. Wow, honestly, I did not expect that. We also have being brought back the Monster High Ghoulmobile. And then we have another Newland Hypervan. Oh, wow. Okay, I've been really excited about this one coming up. Not the haulerback, but we have the Mazda MX-5 Miata. And this is actually a Hot Wheel Legends Tour winner. So whenever you flip it around to the back, you can see it right there. It's the actual picture of the real car. And then right there on the top of the card, Legends Tour winner. This thing looks absolutely insane. And this is modeled after the winner's actual car in real life. Man, even you can see it better in the picture there. The thing is unbelievable. So I'm really excited. I don't know if I'm going to open up this one or if I can find another one that's damaged. I'll probably open it up. But, man, this thing looks really cool, and I'd love to also add it to my Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway, especially because it is a Mazda. Like, the taillights are completely custom. It has a wide body. Man, that is wild. So I'm really excited to see that, and I really like that color scheme, too. And we'll also have another 67 Chevy C10. Oh, okay, we got another Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR tuned, and another Batman and Robin Batmobile, and another DMC DeLorean. Oh, heck yeah! So we got another small block taxi, another Mazda MX-5 Miata, and another 66 Buick Riviera, my bad. It's also brand new for this year. It's kind of interesting that they're bringing out some old school cars, but in a new casting, because I guess they haven't done them before. Alright, so we have another Monster High Ghoulmobile, a Diora 3 in a new color. It's kind of like Joker themed in a way. And then a Alpha Pursuit. Ooh, okay, we got another Ford Mustang GTD, a 87 Audi Quattro, and a Bogzilla, which is kind of interesting. And the last three cars of this case, wow, okay, we got a really cool one to finish it off. We have the 90 Honda Civic EF, another one of those. The Vanster, and another Nerve Hammer. Man, what a case. Honestly, I did not expect to get that Super, and that was kind of mind-blowing to me. We got a lot of other really awesome cars, and we got some cars that... It's kind of interesting that they brought back, like the Ghoulmobile, and then like the Land Speeder from Star Wars. Kind of interesting, but those are also some, I guess, cool cars. And then, like I said, got the Super Treasure Hunt and the regular Treasure Hunt for this case. Like, we literally got everything we could have gotten from that. Like, that was amazing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Honestly, I did not expect, like, any of, like, especially like the collector cars. I did not expect that. So that was pretty awesome getting those. But if you guys did like the video, go down, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and a bunch of other Hot Wheel videos and a bunch of other collectible stuff, because I do a bunch of diecast, like, unboxings. So make sure, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.